In the heart of our planet, a tale unfolds. A tale of a world teetering on the brink of an irreversible change. Plastic, a creation meant to serve, now haunts our rivers, oceans, and lands. As our existence is intertwined with the fate of the environment, there lies an opportunity for redemption. With a commitment to responsibility and innovation, Ginni Filaments has birthed a marvel. With wipes made of non-woven spunlace meticulously crafted from recycled PET bottles. Ever wondered how we have made this possible? It all starts with picking the required plastic bottles from the landfill rag pickers. With our holistic tie-up with special partners, this waste is brought back to life and transformed by recycling the unhandled waste plastic bottles into useful fibers. From here, we at Ginni breathe life into these threads, crafting a masterpiece as a testament to our commitment to quality and diligence. Behold the birth of our PET wet wipes, a creation nurtured in the crucible of trust and precision, weaving a sustainable tale of excellence. Sustainable magic is attained with our uniquely embossed R PET wipes.